Hello friends, welcome to our channel Mechanical Motivator. In this video, we are going to see job opportunities on mechanical engineer. The name of the company is DCM Sriram Career. Once you type this DCM Sriram Career in Google and if you give a search means, you will be getting following result. So here you need to click on current openings in DCM Sriram. So once you click on this link, you will be directed to this official website of the company. So when you gently scroll down, you can see an option called current openings here. See here, you can see an option called current openings. So once you click on current opening, you can see an option called apply now. Just click on apply now. So you can see almost 3 jobs there. There you need to give a search job. An option will be there. You have to click on search job. So the 3, like, you will be having a page like this. So here you need to type search job. So 3 results will be coming. That is, these are the 3 results. So we're going to see this and this one. So click on sugar graduate training. So once you click on it, you will be directed to this page. So career opportunity as a sugar graduate trainee. So those are willing to apply, you can click on apply, and this is the job description. So first of all, we'll see in detail and then you can apply for it. So what they expect is you need to support for evaluation of equipment efficiency, design calculation of equipment to get the optimum output, and responsible for the food safety implementation in that area. So if you are willing means you can click on apply. This is the second one. Okay, so see here, you can see another job called GET Mechanical. So click on this GET Mechanical, you will be directed to this page. Here if you are willing means you can apply, and job location is in Ajapur. So the position of the title is engineer in mechanical. So mechanical graduates can apply for it. The purpose of the position is you have to carry out all the activities and ensure the project is complete and ready for commissioning, and you have to execute the design and products activities and ensuring the quality and safety standards, expediting the procurement and services of order item for the projects. Other key responsibilities or accountabilities is you have to provide direction to the team and focus on cost optimization, coordinate and work closely with the internal and external stakeholders, and you have to participate in technical discussions. So other interactions are unit management, project team, and purchase stores accounts, and externals like vendors, consultant, etc. So those who are coming from BU or BTech mechanical with experience of 3 to 5 years in medium to large chemical and similar industries can make use of it, and you must have exposure to chemical plant projects and should possess strong attention to detail and willing to work through any issues that emerge. Should possess excellent interpersonal skill, team management skill, should be able to align and engage a team through effective communication, should have knowledge and exposure to environment, and these are the other competencies. So if you are willing means you can click on apply and apply for this job. So once you click on apply means you will be getting this page. So here if you already have the mail id and password means you can directly log in and apply for this job. If not means you have to create an account. So click here to create an account. So by clicking here, and for creating you need to give a name, mail id, first name, last name, country code, phone number, etc. And after giving all your details, you, you can you can create an account by clicking this create an account. So kindly bear with me, I'm having a sore throat, so I can't talk loudly. Just follow the instructions so that it will be very easy for you to apply. So once you created the account means you will be getting the mail id and password. With that you can sign in and apply for this job. If you feel this video is useful means kindly share the video to mechanical graduate, and do subscribe our channel and stay tuned with our channel. We will be bringing all job opportunities to your doorstep. Thanks for watching this video. Have a great day.